Hello everyone, welcome to Flash Trade 1. Here I am showing one of the real account and I am updating this account for the 10th time as of now. Verify the first order ID of this account, which is 40606015. We'll verify that the account I'm showing as of now, an account that I've shown in previous 9 updates, all of them are same. You can visit all of these 9 updates and you can see the first order ID. I've shown the first order ID in all of them and you can confirm that the accounts are same. Also in update 1 and update 2, I've placed the live order into this account and shown that Flash Trade 1 have the access of trading of this account. Previous time, during the 9th update, the total profit on the account was $91,200. As of now, let's check the profit on the account, which is 97,969 with deposit of 100k. Trading started on this account, you can see, on 3rd of December 2020. So almost as of now 2.5 months completed on this account with a deposit of 100k. The deposit of 100k. Profit on the account is of $97,900. Let me take round off to 98,000 with ROI of 98% in 2.5 months. So 1 month ROI, if we count, and it comes the 40% on this account. And if we see the per month profit on this account, then it will 1300 to 1400. So if anyone have the account of 100k, then with this strategy the client can earn the profit of 1300 to 1400 on this account. Let me see that this account is traded with conservative risk. You can see over here that in the conservative risk, the risk on the account is of 3%. So in statement, you can see that the relative drawdown on the account is of 4.5%, which falls under the category of 3 to 5%. Reward on this account is 30 to 50% per month. And you can see that our per month ROI on the account is 40%. Here the lot size is 0.01. But in the case of 100k account, it's like you can count it 0.01 one lot to the 0.0 in 100k account. 0.01 is equals to 1 lot, and you can see that here the trading lot size is 1 and it's constant. You can see that it may not change, it is fixed lot size. So in conservative risk, we are trading with fixed lot size with no profit reinvestment strategy. So here this account is traded with conservative risk, and here all the pairs are traded with the help of our multiple in one trend indicator and our support and demand indicator. They are not traded randomly. All the entries are taken as per the indication shown by both of this indicator, and this is a completely automated strategy. This is not a manual trading. So and also you can see that here the trades are the holding trades. The trades here was placed on 3rd of December at 18:15 and it was closed at 3rd of December 22 GMT. So here it's an holding. So this strategy of conservative risk can be applied on any broker, on any capital. There is no restrictions on that, with fixed lot size of 1. Let us check the statement of this account, where we have already seen the relative drawdown on the account is 4.5%. The total trades placed on the account is 2505, where 1671 trades are in profit and 836 trades are in loss. So it gives the real accuracy of the account 66.6 with average profit of 114 and average loss of 111, which takes out the risk reward of the account to be 1:1. Real accuracy 66.6, while break-even point, which you can find using average profit and average loss trade, is 49.4. Let us check in the previous video where real accuracy was 66.1. As of now it's increased to 0.5 percentage, and break even was 49.5. it is reduced to 49.4. so ultimately we are doing good on this account, as real accuracy has been increased and break even has been decreased, while maintaining the risk reward of this account. We have seen the total profit on the account is of 98,000 with 98% of profit in 2.5 months. Monthly profit is 39,000, giving the 40 to 45% of profit this month. Each day profit is 1300 to 1500 on this account, with deposit of 100k, and trading started on 3rd of December 2020. So if you have any query regarding this account, then you can ask our WhatsApp or Telegram executive. They will guide you about this account, and you can keep your eye on every updates of this account, as you would be able to see that how disciplinedly and how patiently we are going to make the profit on this account. Hope this video was useful and enjoyable. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.